Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit or clear your astrological profile on Snapchat. I got a couple comments in my most recent video when I showed you guys how to create it, that you want to edit it or change it. So I'll show you guys how to do that today. All you have to do is head over to your Snapchat and open it up. Once you're on Snapchat, you want to go up to the top right corner and click on the settings gear, and then click on birthday. This is where you'll have access to all your astrological information. Now, if you want to change your actual birthday, you do have to change your birthday up at the top right here. So if you change that, that will change it down at the bottom here. Now, if you just want to edit your astrological birthday, you can just click on it and you could change your time of birth and place of birth right there. Like I said, if you want to change the birthday, you just have to do it outside of this section right at the top. Now, if you want to clear it, all you have to do is click this X button beside it right here, and then it will give you an option to clear it out. And then you can go ahead and click on clear, and it will delete it here completely, and you'll have to go create it again if you would like it again. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to edit or clear out your astrological profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.